In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data in Smartsheet. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a long list of rows, filtering will help you zero in on exactly what matters. Start by opening Smartsheet in your browser and signing in so you can access your workspaces. Then open the sheet you want to work with. For the smoothest experience, make sure you're in Grid View. This view lays out your columns and rows in a familiar spreadsheet format, which makes creating and adjusting filters straightforward. Next, look to the top toolbar and click the Filter option. You'll see the choice to create a new filter or select one that's already been made. If you're starting fresh, choose Create New Filter. This opens the filter builder where you'll decide how Smartsheet should narrow down your data. Set your filter conditions by choosing the column you want to filter on. Selecting a condition like equals, contains, or is one of, and then entering or selecting the value that should match. For example, use equals for exact matches like a specific status, contains for keyword searches in text fields, and is one of for drop-downs where you might want to include several allowed values. It helps to double-check the column type so your condition makes sense. A date column will offer different options than a text column. By the way, if you need quick access to Smartsheet, there's a link at the very top of the description that takes you to the website, and from there you can also find downloads for the desktop or mobile apps. When your conditions look right, click Apply. Your sheet will instantly show only the rows that meet your criteria. Don't worry, filters don't delete anything. They simply hide the rows that aren't relevant so you can focus. If this is a view you'll want again, save it. Click Save Filter, give it a clear, memorable name, and you'll be able to reuse it anytime without rebuilding the rules. Need to tweak things later? Click Filter again, adjust your conditions, and apply. If you want to get back to the full sheet, choose Clear Filter to show all rows. Remember that filters affect only your view, not other users. If you find something important, use comments or add mentions to call attention to the filtered insights. And consider pairing your filter with a quick sort to highlight priorities, due dates, or owners in a more organized way. Filtering data in Smartsheet helps you focus on what matters most, analyze information faster, track tasks with clarity, and stay organized. Thanks for watching.